Hi, it's Denise Mai, real estate. I've got this townhouse here located in Brentwood. This is a very rare, unique townhome that doesn't come up very often. I'm so excited to give you a tour. What's amazing about this unit are these 18-foot ceilings. Right behind me are these beautiful windows that come in with natural light. Also, not only that, you got tons of privacy with a tree-lined street, your own private patio, plus all this open concept, great for entertaining. Welcome to your open concept kitchen. Imagine coming home from work with your own private one-car garage, coming in here, opening to your kitchen with these espresso double-layer granite countertops, these double sinks, and cooking and looking into your beautiful space that has 18-foot ceilings, 880 square feet of living space, 2 bedrooms on either side, complete privacy. Not only that, both bathrooms also have 18-foot ceilings, which is completely rare, completely unique. You really want to come and see this one. Look at this beautiful private 690 square feet front yard that you have. Not only that, you've got private 2 decks that you can use to barbecue, entertain, or have a summer cocktail. You are located in the heart of Brentwood. Across the street is Gilmore Skytrain. Brentwood Mall is around the corner. Everything that you need is all around you. If you'd like to set up a private viewing, let me know. My name is Denise Mai. I'm more than happy to set one up for you.